Imagine a motorhome that doesn't just travel the road, it owns it. A machine where hypercar DNA meets luxury living, where speed, style, and status follow you wherever you park. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome truck, and today on RV TourHub, we're stepping into a world where the road becomes a red carpet. From the very first look, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is pure presence. The signature Bugatti-inspired front design, bold curves, and aerodynamic elegance make it look more like a futuristic supercar than a motorhome. Every line feels intentional, every detail screams exclusivity. This isn't built for blending in at campsites, it's built to turn heads on highways and steal attention everywhere it goes. Step inside, and the atmosphere completely transforms. The interior feels like a private luxury jet on wheels. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, soft ambient lighting, and a perfectly balanced layout surround you in comfort. The living area is spacious and refined, designed for relaxation, without losing that sporty Bugatti attitude. Large windows bring in natural light, while keeping the space feeling open and elite. The kitchen is nothing short of a designer masterpiece. Sleek surfaces, high-end appliances, and seamless storage solutions make it both functional and visually stunning. Whether you're preparing a quick espresso or a full gourmet meal, this kitchen feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Everything is engineered for convenience, elegance, and performance. Move into the bedroom, and you'll understand what next-level road living truly means. A plush, perfectly contoured bed, smart storage systems, and soundproofing create a calm retreat after a long drive. This space is designed for deep rest, privacy, and comfort, making every night on the road feel like a stay in a five-star suite. The bathroom continues the same theme, with premium fixtures, a modern shower, and a clean spa-like design. Underneath all this luxury lies serious power. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome truck is built on a high-performance platform, engineered for smooth handling and confident driving. Advanced suspension, intelligent driving assistance, and cutting-edge safety systems ensure that despite its size, it moves with surprising control and stability. Long journeys feel effortless, refined, and secure. What truly separates this motorhome is the philosophy behind it. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about making a statement. It's for those who want exclusivity, innovation, and unmatched comfort while exploring the world on their own terms. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome truck redefines luxury on wheels. If your idea of adventure includes elegance, power, and unforgettable presence, this is the future of road travel. Subscribe to RV TourHub, because when legends hit the road, you don't want to miss the ride.